Hello, and we are at 2716 Cobalt Street in the Art Museum section of the city. This is Unit A we are looking at. It's a 2 bedroom, 1 bath, bi-level, secure entrance to the front and the living room. You have an open concept here with high ceilings and Victorian type space windows. You have a beautiful fireplace to your right for those chilly nights and cold mornings. Then, as you go from the dining room, you go to the kitchen, which is still open, warm, and inviting. Stainless steel appliances, microwave, stove, and refrigerator. Sink is in the center with a view to the back, still with high ceilings. You have a bathroom on this floor. It's a half bathroom. So when you have your guests here, they don't have to walk through the whole unit. Closet space right here. You have your back door with amazing backyard. Very modern and upscale. Yet private. The gate is rather high enough that when your company comes over, it's just you and your company. Then we're going to take a trip downstairs. The lights here are amazing. Downstairs, as soon as you come downstairs, we have the washer and the dryer with storage space up top. You have your hallway that leads to your first bedroom, which is staged also as another cozy chill room if need be, but it's actually your first bedroom with more closet space. The beautiful part of this unit is the closet space and the lighting. Man. Then you have where the hot water heater is and more closet space, and then you have your bathroom. Very modern and upscale bathroom, full bathroom. And then you have your bedroom, your second bedroom, with more and more closet space. Now, the peekaboo of this unit, you have a patio on the first floor where you can have a little chair and sit out. It sits roughly underneath the outside backyard, but it's a patio built outside. 2716 Cobalt Street. Book your appointment today.